Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a slide deck in NotebookLM. So basically what you'll need to do is add sources. You can do that by uploading files, adding websites, uh, clicking on the drive, or just pasting copied text. And basically I have added right here two PDFs, so you can choose both of them as sources, or you can choose only one. And if you chose only one or two, it doesn't even matter. What you can do is go right here on the pencil icon where you see slide deck, and you can select detailed deck or presenter slides. So select one of those, then choose a language, and right here you can select a length for the short or default, and you can put a prompt. So you can put like custom prompt, what you need, what your slides needs to look like, the design, and etc. So put right here and click generate, and then you'll get slides where you'll be able to use that. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.